Hi guys, what is up? I'm Priyal and welcome back to my channel. That was a lot like Jeffree Star. Never mind. In today's video, I'm going to review these two really beautiful lipsticks. These are from the Gigi Hadid x Maybelline collection. I got myself the shade Care, which is GG23. It's really nice red color, and a nude shade, which is GG09 McCall. So I got those. Before I get on to the video, I will quickly read what the brand claims about the lipstick. And the features are: has a gorgeous creamy matte finish, statement making color lipsticks, and includes perfect nudes and reds for different skin tones. So this comes in a very beautiful holographic unicarton, and I'm living for the packaging. It's so elegant. I think it's so Gigi Hadid. It is in this cuboid kind of container, and here's the shade. It's such a pretty taupe, sort of pink undertone lip shade. I will quickly swatch it on my lips. So this is it. This is abruptly like just one swipe and a little more. I personally don't really know what I feel about this shade, because it's meant for a much more fair skin tone. I probably picked the wrong shade, but nevertheless it is very creamy, and I mean, as it claims, it's justified. The claims are justified. It's really creamy. It has a very luxurious look. It feels very light. It doesn't really feel like you have much on your lips. So yeah, I think that's about it, and let's move on. Moving on to the next shade is this red. It's Care, and the packaging again is it's different compared to this one. This was a holographic one, while this is a little golden metallic unicarton. Again, it comes in that similar cuboid container. And the shade, you guys, I'm really looking forward to this one, because I think this is more my skin type, the skin tone type. So I don't really have much to say. Let's just quickly swatch it on the lip. You see the amount of coverage? It's literally just one swipe. Okay, I need to get that up. Put it back here. Living for this shade, like legit living. I think this really goes with my skin tone. I think this is like the perfect red shade that everyone should have as a part of their cosmetics, as a part of their makeup. This definitely does justify the features. It is super creamy, and I think it is one of those statement bold red lipsticks. I think that's about it. I think in the end, I'll really like to say that both these lipsticks are super creamy. They do justify what it claims or what the brand promises. They glide pretty well. They're really good coverage. They're creamy, they're hydrating. Also, they're very lightweight. It does not really feel like I have a lot of makeup, I mean a lot of lipstick, or it barely feels like anything on my lips. After that, I would also like to say that I really like the red a little more than the nude. Not saying that the nude's not nice, probably I just picked out the wrong shade for my skin tone. Talking from the price point, they're for 550 rupees, and according to the product that you're getting, it's a beautiful product, and I think you definitely should get these lipsticks. So this is about it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was helpful, and do let me know in the comment section below if it was. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Do click the bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a video, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Thank you.